Hello friends, today I'll discuss about some important questions from soil mechanics. So first question is here, accurate determination of water content is made by calcium carbide method, sand bath method, alcohol method, oven drying method. Actually, actual determination of water content is made by oven drying method. So correct answer of this question will be D. Second question, determination of the water content of soil sample suspended to contain gypsum. Determination of water content of soil sample suspected to contain gypsum is made by drying the sample for longer period at a temperature not more than 60 degree, 80 degree, 100 degree, 110 degree. The right answer of this question will be 80 degrees. So when the soil contains gypsum, the soil we will not heat the soil more than 80 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now next question, pycnometer is used to determine the void ratio, dry density, density index, water content. Generally pycnometer is used to determine the water content. Okay. Now next question, the water content of soil which represents the boundary between plastic state and liquid state is known as the liquid limit, plastic limit, shrinkage limit, plasticity index. So the water content of soil which represents the boundary between plastic state and liquid state known as the liquid limit. Okay. Now next question, which of the following soil has more plasticity index? Sand, silt, gravel and clay. So right answer of this question will be clay. Okay. Now next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. In soils, the flow index indicates variation in shear strength with water content. Liquid limit minus plastic limit is known as plasticity index of soil. Liquid limit minus shrinkage limit is known as the shrinkage index of the soil. The ratio of plasticity index to the flow limit is known as the toughness index. So these all four options are correct. So that's why the correct answer of this question will be E, all of the above. Now next question, you are given a sample of soil containing coarse grain. To determine its water content, you will use pycnometer method, oven drying method, calcium carbide method, alcohol method. So in case of coarse grain soil, we generally use pycnometer method. So right answer of this question will be A. Now next question, Stokes states that the velocity at which a grain settles out of suspension, the other factor remaining constant, is dependent upon shape of grain, weight of grain, size of grain, all of those. So correct answer of this question will be all of those. Now next question, sedimentation analysis is based on the assumptions that soil particles are spherical. Particles settle independent of their particles. Walls of the jar do not affect the settlement. So right answer of this question will be D, all of the above. Okay. Now next question, the ratio of the compressive strength of unconfined clay in an undisturbed state to that of remolded state is more than 1, less than 1, less or more than 1, more than 5. That is a more than 1. So right answer of this question will be A. Now next question, the sensitivity of a soil can be defined as percentage of swelling of soil under saturated condition, ratio of the compressive strength of unconfined undisturbed soil to that of the soil in demolded state, ratio of void to the solids, a reaction to chemical reagent. So right answer of this question will be B, ratio of compressive strength of soil in case of the undisturbed sample to that of the remolded sample. Okay, so right answer of this question will be. Now next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. In hydrometer method, weight WD per ml of suspension is found directly. No, it is not correct. In pipette analysis, weight WD per ml of suspension is found indirectly. It is not correct. In pipette analysis, weight WD per unit ml of suspension is found directly. So right answer of this question will be C. Now next question, hydrometer readings are corrected for temperature correction, meniscus correction, dispersion agent correction, temperature, meniscus and dispersion agent correction. So right answer of this question will be D. In case of hydrometer reading, so we have to correct for this three reading, temperature, as well as miscast, as well as the dispersing agent correction. Okay, so right answer of this question will be D.